So hello dear students, today we will study about Brillouin zones. This is very important topic in condensed matter physics for exam point of view. So study of Brillouin zones is on the basis of Bragg's law in reciprocal lattice that we have studied in the previous lecture. So consider a simple square lattice of side A. The primitive translational vectors are as it is a square lattice, so it is a two-dimensional lattice. So we will have two translational vectors. One is along x-axis, another is along y-axis. So the corresponding reciprocal lattice translational vectors are that will be A star 2 pi by A I cap, B star 2 pi by A J cap. So we have derived the reciprocal lattice vectors in one of the previous questions as well. So as we know that for a HKL plane reciprocal lattice vector is given by this. It is in two dimensions. So it will be H 2 pi by A I cap K 2 pi by A J cap. So it will be 2 pi by A H I cap plus K J cap. So this is our G vector. So as we know that wave vector is given by associated with X-ray. In two dimensions it will be Kx I cap Ky J cap. So we mark this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. So now we will apply Bragg's law for reciprocal lattice. According to Bragg's law for reciprocal lattice, two K dot G plus G square, it is equal to 0. So it is 2 Kx I cap Ky J cap dot 2 pi by A H I cap K J cap equal to minus G square. So when we solve this, it will be 4 pi by A HKX K KY and G minus G square. G is this. So when we take the G square, it will be 4 pi square by A square X coefficient square Y coefficient square I cap coefficient square J cap coefficient square. So when we solve this, it will be HKX KKY it is equal to minus pi by a h square plus k square. So this is equation number 3. So this is the Bragg's law in reciprocal lattice, and from this equation we will try to find the various Brillouin zones. So for first Brillouin zone, we put h is equal to 0 and k is equal to plus minus 1. Then what we will get? It will be 0 plus minus 1 ky minus pi upon a 0 square plus minus 1 square. So it will be plus minus ky, it will be equal to minus pi by a. So ky it will be equal to plus minus pi by a. So this is the first equation for first Brillouin zone. Also we can put for first Brillouin zone k is equal to 0 and h is equal to plus minus 1. So the equation number 3, it will reduce to plus minus kx plus 0, it is equal to minus pi by a plus minus 1 square, it will be 1 plus 0 square. So plus minus kx, it will be minus pi by a. So kx, it will be plus minus pi by a. So this is the second equation for first Brillouin zone. So now we will try to derive the Brillouin zones. So here we draw the reciprocal lattice. So let this represents the kx direction, it represents the ky direction. Then we will try to find the various equations. First is kx plus pi by a, it will be this line. Minus pi by a, it will be this line. In the middle. So this line will be kx is equal to plus pi by a, it will be kx is equal to minus pi by a. These two lines, they will correspond to ky is equal to plus pi by a, ky is equal to minus pi by a. So this will be our first Brillouin zone. This will be the first Brillouin zone, the space enclosed between these lines. So the region between these four lines is called first Brillouin zone. The region between kx is equal to plus minus pi by a and ky is equal to plus minus pi by a, these four lines, they enclose the region that is called first Brillouin zone. Now we try to draw the second Brillouin zone. And for second Brillouin zone, we substitute h is equal to plus minus 1, k is equal to also plus minus 1 in equation number 3. So from 3 equation, it is plus minus kx plus minus ky, which is equal to minus pi by a plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 square. So it will be plus minus kx plus minus ky, it is equal to minus 2 pi by a. So it will give us 4 equations. It will give us 4 equations. First equation is kx plus ky, it is equal to minus 2 pi by a. Second equation, kx minus ky, it is equal to minus 2 pi by a. Third equation, minus kx plus ky, it is equal to minus 2 pi by a, or kx minus ky, it is equal to 2 pi by a, minus taken common. And the last equation is kx plus ky, it is equal to 2 pi by a, minus is taken common. And the region between above lines is called second Brillouin zone. The region between above 4 lines is called second Brillouin zone. And in this way, we can draw the various Brillouin zones, so on second Brillouin zone and third Brillouin zone respectively. Now in the diagram, we will try to depict the second Brillouin zone, and for that we will be representing the equations. So first equation is kx plus ky equal to 2 pi by a. It will be this line. This line will be kx plus ky, it is equal to 2 pi by a. So mathematically you can get these lines very easily. Next is kx minus ky is equal to minus 2 pi by a. So this line, it will be kx minus ky, it is equal to minus 2 pi by a. We have chosen the different color. Minus kx plus ky is equal to 2 pi by a. It will be this line. minus kx plus ky, it is equal to minus 2 pi by a, and then the fourth line, it will be this one. So what is the fourth line left? That is kx plus ky, it is equal to minus 2 pi by a, and the region enclosed, sorry, this is not that line. It is the line passing through this point. This is the line. So this region is called second Brillouin zone, shown by red color. So red color is second Brillouin zone. So now we try to depict the third Brillouin zone. Third Brillouin zone, the region enclosed by these dotted lines corresponds to third Brillouin zone. It is this region, shown with yellow color. So this is the third Brillouin zone. So proceeding in this way, we can draw the various Brillouin zones, so on. Brillouin zones are very important to study the crustal structure. So this is third Brillouin zone. So this completes the first part for Brillouin zone. Thanks a lot. For next lectures, keep in touch. Thanks.